What's going on, pop stars? I am popping in to share another air fryer, or I should say, smart fryer oven recipe with you. This one should hit home for some of my international pop stars, i.e., West Indian, to name a few. I have decided that I want to try and see if it can do plantains. Some people say plantains, some people say plantain, but plantain is how we pronounce it in Guyana in the West Indies. But anyway, that's what I'm cooking today. So I've already prepped everything so that this video is not too long. And of course, I have oil just for a little basting so it could be a little crispy. There's the plantain already peeled and cut it up, the skin anyway, and it's just a little bit of oil. And what I did is I just dipped my finger in and just kind of rub both sides of the plantain. So there they are, already cut up and on the pan. And then I'm going to put the drip pan in there and get started. So the booklet didn't actually have a recipe for doing plantains in the air fryer. So what I did is I just Googled it, and I believe it said I can put it in here for 10 or 12 minutes at 380. So that's what I'm going to do. 380. And I'm going to choose fries because it's, in a sense, frying it. All right, so first things first, put my little drip pan at the bottom. I guess this is the actual bottom, yeah, at the bottom there. And then I'm gonna put my other pans in here. I'm gonna put one at the top, and then I'm gonna put one in the middle. There we have it. And then, of course, close the door. There we go, doggone. And then set the timer. So let's go, let's try 12 minutes. I can't remember if it said 10 or 12 minutes, but we'll go with 12 minutes. And then you just hit on. And there you go. So I will pop back in maybe at the halfway mark, or I'll just wait until they're done and let you see how it turned out. So stay tuned. Okay, it's about the halfway mark, so I'm gonna go ahead and check on it. Ooh, fog the lens up. They're starting to crisp a little bit. The ones on the top anyway. I might have to put the second tray on the top once these are done. But I just wanted to check on them. And I love it because the minute you shut it, it resumes. This is awesome. Okay, it just stopped, so let's check up on it. Oh, they smell so good. And just as I thought, the second shelf, I'll have to put that one up on a top shelf for that to cook. See, they didn't really do, which I kind of expected, but it's all good. I'm going to put it in there, let it do its thing. But as for the top shelf, looky, looky. I'm going to try one. Oh, it's so good. Yep, my good old plantain, excuse me, mouthful of food, made healthier. Less oil. I'm so happy right now. Guys, that was so amazing. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and end this vlog because this girl wants to eat. I have some chicken, some rice, and some veggies waiting for me. And these babies are going on the same plate. Thanks again so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. When you like the episode, give us a thumbs up. And if you have anything you want to share, leave the comments below. Until next time.